Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the early childhood care and education assignment. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 900 936 8238. If you need other help like admission and related any other queries, so you can also contact here that we are discussing, which is you can contact for Hindi and English medium both. Here the questions are we are discussing, which is from the early childhood. So there are total 6 questions in this paper. First, second, and third, all about the 40 to 60 word answers, and 4 and 5th answer, which is 100 to 150 answers, and question number 6, which is about the 500 word answer. By the way, we have written all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want these answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you need other guidance, so we are here for help you. If you need other guidance, so we are here 24/7. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.